So if you're wondering, what does almost 3,000 square feet look like in Las Cruces, New Mexico? Then this home is it. Let's go tour. First of all, let me show you the outside. It is in a cul-de-sac, which is fantastic because all the traffic that's coming in here is only the people that live here. That's it. Now this is the home right here we are going to feature. Really nice, almost 3,000 square foot home in Las Cruces, New Mexico. So let's go inside and check it out. Now, if you've been looking at the channel, this house, large house, for under 400,000. You heard right. Let's look at the home. So as soon as we come in, you see the really high ceiling with this really nice style vigas. Hey, why don't we just go into the kitchen? Now here in Las Cruces, we do have a lot of Southwestern looking homes. This is one of them. It has that touch. Look at the floors, really nice tile floors, moldings. Very well maintained home here in Las Cruces, New Mexico. Good size pantry. So this home does have 2,931 square feet of living space, 4-bedroom home in a well-established neighborhood here in Las Cruces, New Mexico. Why don't we go this way and take a look at the bedrooms. Now this home is in a community that has no HOA. So why don't we go into the primary bedroom first. This is the primary. It does lead outside, as you can see, to your nice fireplace. Once again, high ceilings. Then you do have 2 walk-in closets. Now this home offers 4 bedrooms, which is, there's a lot of flexibility for guests. Nice walk-in shower, deep. And you do have double sinks, matching counters as you can see in the kitchen, the tile. You do have beautiful skylights for a lot of natural light. I didn't even need the lights on. You do have a soaker tub, and this is a pocket door. It has a really nice outdoor relaxing space with natural grass, real grass, guys. So you do have the other bedrooms here. This is one of the bedrooms. It's nice molding on the wall right there. Give it a little bit an accent, a nice touch to it. Here is the other bedroom. This is the bathroom, the shared bathroom for the 3. Hey guys, so if you have not subscribed to the channel, please help us grow our channel. I know, guys, it means nothing to you, but please help us grow our channel. We would love to continue bringing you videos of unique homes. This is a custom home in Las Cruces, New Mexico. You can see the detail of this beautiful home of almost 3,000 square feet for under 400,000. I'll tell you the price right now. This home is listed for $398,000. That is what they're asking. Now you can see this bedroom here has no closet. It's not a bedroom, it's a flex room, so it could be an office. Office, exercise room. You guys can tell me in the comments what you would use this home for. But now this side, this is the kitchen, remember, we'll go outside right now. This side has another bathroom for guests. Nice, matches the sink, you notice that? And everybody knows what a garage is. That's the garage. This is the washer and dryer. So good size. Washer and dryer would go here. It is gas. You do have a sink, which I love that. Now, this sink, this room, they converted it into, it's actually, I couldn't turn the lights on, but this is actually not a garage. It should be a garage, but it could easily be converted back. It does have a mini split, so if you would buy this house and you would love to keep it as an extra bedroom, then you can. It has its own door from the outside, so it could be an Airbnb, could be a rental. I don't know, guys, you guys tell me, but anyways, that would be up to the new owners to decide whether they want a garage back or leave it the same, right? Why don't we go outside and check out the backyard, because it is a really nice backyard.
Let's set the time, make it mine.
So you do have this really nice fireplace right there. Have this, it is a nice little patio. It's a good sized patio actually. And then you do have really nice grass here, which is fantastic. You have some plants right there. This goes to the side of the house. You can have whatever plants you like, and you can notice this is real grass. As you guys know, not a lot of houses in Las Cruces, New Mexico have real grass. So this is a nice home that you can have a backyard and have some nice grass. This is the other side of the house. It does have a little storage room back here. Just want to show everything, right? You do have a gate there to go on from that side. All right, guys, you guys let me know. This is almost 3,000 square feet home for under 400,000. That's a very good price because it's a large home for that price. So let me know in the comments. Would you guys buy this house? It's a beautiful house. Good. It's in the community of the Elks community, which is a really nice community. They call it a hidden gem. Conveniences of all the amenities here as well. You can jump on to 70, go to Ruidoso, Alamogordo. Out there, you go on 25, head north to Albuquerque. 25 leads you into I-10. You want to go to El Paso, then you can go to El Paso. So the home is in a very good community where anyone can just get up and go wherever they need to. Or you just like to stay home and relax in a nice quiet neighborhood, then this is a neighborhood for you. So please give us a call, send us a text, shoot us an email. My name is Cesar and my wife is Tania. We would love to help you make a smooth move to Las Cruces. If you have any questions, please feel free. We love to meet you through Zoom. That's the easiest way. Remember, the first step is getting a home, is getting pre-qualified. That's the biggest hurdle in buying a home. So if you have any questions, my wife is a lender. Give us a call, send us a text, shoot us an email. We can hold your hand and guide you through it. Thanks, guys. Don't leave. We're going to see it. We're going to drive around the community.
Step inside, take a look, 2,000 plus on the book. 4 bedrooms, room to grow, 2.5, nice flow. Professional, I'll show you around. Best little spot in town. Las Cruces on the map, mountains right in the back. Clean lines, big open space, you can feel that place. Las Cruces home, come see Las Cruces home for you and me. 340, that's the ask, such a strong value pack. Las Cruces home, look high, deck and balcony in the sky. Mountain views all day long, this is where you belong. Outside deck for evening air, balcony with a view to spare. Excellent location, prime, made for your next home. Time for beds, plenty of light, this one feels just right. Las Cruces on the map, mountains right in the back. Clean lines, big open space, you can feel that place. Las Cruces home, come see Las Cruces home for you and me. 340, that's the ask, such a strong value pack. Las Cruces home, look high, deck and balcony in the sky. Mountain views all day long, this is where you belong. Says stay a while, every corner's got style. Las Cruces home, come see Las Cruces home for you and me. 340, that's the ask, such a strong value pack. Las Cruces home, look high,